Before you install expensive software or pay for another AI subscription, check out these incredible free AI tools. They offer features that feel almost too good to be free and can seriously improve your content creation workflow. Starting at number 5 is Ideogram.ai. It's one of the best AI image generators for creating posters, logos, social media graphics, and images with highly accurate text rendering. If you've struggled with AI-generated text before, this tool is definitely worth trying. At number 4 is Leonardo.ai. Whether you're creating game assets, concept art, product mockups, or realistic AI images, Leonardo gives you powerful controls and professional quality results with a generous free plan. Coming in at number 3 is Crea.ai. This tool is perfect for generating and enhancing AI images in real time. It also includes powerful upscaling and editing features, making it a favorite among designers and content creators. Taking the number 2 spot is Higgsfield.ai. If you're creating cinematic AI videos, realistic motion, or creative visual content, Higgsfield offers impressive video generation capabilities that can save hours of editing. And my number 1 pick is 11labs.io. It's one of the most realistic AI voice generation tools available today. From voice cloning and text-to-speech to multilingual narration, it's an excellent choice for YouTubers, educators, and businesses. All of these tools have free tiers that let you explore their core features before upgrading. Whether you're a designer, video creator, marketer, or YouTuber, these AI tools can help you create professional content without spending a fortune. So if you're looking to level up your workflow while keeping your budget at zero, these are definitely worth adding to your toolkit.